Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of hacking with 33 secret websites to elevate your skills to a pro level in 2024. Whether you're a beginner or know your way around a command line, stay tuned. We'll break down each site, what you can learn, and why to bookmark it now. Think of this as your ultimate guide to leveling up your cybersecurity game in 2024. From vulnerable machines to CTF challenges, we're covering it all. So buckle up, grab your favorite energy drink, and let's get started. First up, we've got Hack the Box, a platform that's a digital playground for learning penetration testing. It's like having your own cybersecurity training ground without worrying about taking down a real website. Hack the Box isn't just about brute forcing, it's about problem solving, critical thinking, and understanding systems. You'll encounter real-world scenarios, learn new tools and techniques, and earn bragging rights by climbing the leaderboards. Next, we have VulnHub, a platform for getting hands-on with real-world vulnerabilities. They offer an updated library of vulnerable virtual machines to download and run. It's the perfect place to sharpen your skills and learn to identify and exploit weaknesses. Let's talk about Over the Wire, a platform that gamifies cybersecurity education. They offer Wargames, challenges designed to teach specific security concepts and techniques. It's a fun way to learn, and you'll test your skills against players from around the world. Chapter 4. Try Hack Me, your personalized cybersecurity bootcamp. This platform offers interactive courses and labs covering cybersecurity basics to advanced penetration testing techniques. Work in real-time environments, complete challenges, and get instant feedback on your progress. Virtual machines are pre-configured for each lesson, so you can jump right in without setup. Chapter 5. Pentester Lab. Unveiling the secrets of vulnerability research. Pentester Lab provides vulnerable systems and walks you through identifying, analyzing, and exploiting those vulnerabilities step by step. It's like having a cybersecurity expert guiding you through the entire process. Chapter 6. Root Me, where hacking skills grow on trees. Hundreds of challenges cover a wide range of cybersecurity topics, from cryptography to web application security to reverse engineering. No matter your skill level, you'll find something to challenge you on Root Me. Chapter 7. Hack this site, your legal hacking spree begins here. This platform offers a safe, legal environment to practice hacking on various simulated systems. It's a great way to experience ethical hacking without worrying about legal repercussions. Chapter 8. CTF Time, the ultimate capture. The Flag Battleground. Get ready for the world of competitive hacking with CTF Time, your go-to platform for Capture the Flag. If you're serious about cybersecurity and love a challenge, you need to check out CTF Time. Chapter 9. Exploit Database, your Encyclopedia of Exploits. This repository houses a vast collection of publicly disclosed exploits and proof-of-concept code. Whether you're seeking a specific exploit or browsing for inspiration, Exploit Database is invaluable. Remember to use this information responsibly. Chapter 10. Hacking Lab, your one-stop shop for cybersecurity training. They offer courses, labs, and challenges covering ethical hacking, penetration testing, and digital forensics. Their courses provide the hands-on experience needed to succeed in the real world. Plus, they offer industry-recognized certifications to prove your skills to employers. Chapter 11. Hack the Box Academy, level up your hacking skills. Hack the Box Academy offers structured learning paths to master cybersecurity domains. Test your skills in their realistic lab environments. Chapter 12. Punable.kr-Conquer the Korean Wargame Challenge. This platform is not for the faint of heart. It pushes your skills to the limit with challenging exploitation scenarios. If you're looking to hone your skills, Punable.kr is the place to be. Next up, we're heading to Taiwan with pdwunable.tw, a wargame site known for its challenging CTF problems. These test your skills in binary exploitation, reverse engineering, and web security. Plus, the challenges are constantly updated, so you'll always have something new to tackle. Sometimes you don't have time for a full CTF competition or multi-hour lab. That's where Hack This comes in. This site offers bite-sized hacking challenges you can complete in your spare time. CTF Learn is a fantastic platform for anyone interested in Capture the Flag. They offer challenges from beginner to incredibly difficult, covering all aspects of cybersecurity. Plus, they offer write-ups and tutorials for many challenges, so you can learn from the best. Looking to expand your cybersecurity knowledge without breaking the bank? Cybrary is the answer. This platform offers free courses, labs, and resources covering networking basics to advanced penetration testing. Plus, they offer paid certification programs to advance your career. Sometimes you just want to sit back, relax, and learn cybersecurity from the experts. That's where SecurityTube comes in. This YouTube channel is a treasure trove of videos on various security topics, from ethical hacking to penetration testing to malware analysis. SANS Institute is a top name in cybersecurity training, and their Cyber Aces program offers a taste of their education for free. This self-paced course covers essential cybersecurity concepts, from networking to security tools. Plus, it's completely free, so you have nothing to lose. Open Security Training is a community-driven project that provides high-quality cybersecurity training materials free of charge. They offer a wide range of courses, labs, and resources covering reverse engineering, malware analysis, and penetration testing. It's a fantastic resource for anyone passionate about cybersecurity education. Offensive Security is a leading provider of penetration testing training and certification. They're best known for their OSCP or Offensive Security Certified Professional certification, highly regarded in the cybersecurity industry. If you're serious about a career in penetration testing, Offensive Security is worth checking out. Ever wanted to get paid to find security vulnerabilities? That's what bug bounty hunting is all about. Bug Crowd University is the perfect place to learn. They offer free training on web application security, bug bounty methodologies, and more. Plus, they have a thriving community of bug bounty hunters to connect with and learn from. Chapter 22, HackerOne, Connect with Companies and Earn Bounties. HackerOne connects security researchers with companies needing help finding vulnerabilities. Serious about bug bounty hunting? Join HackerOne. Chapter 23, SYNAC Red Team. Join the elite force of security researchers. SYNAC Red Team is an exclusive community of skilled security researchers providing penetration testing services to Fortune 500 companies and government agencies. If you're among the best, SYNAC Red Team offers a unique opportunity to work on challenging projects, collaborate with top researchers, and earn significant rewards. Zero-Day Initiative. Get rewarded for responsible disclosure. The Zero-Day Initiative rewards researchers for responsibly disclosing vulnerabilities to vendors. Found a zero-day vulnerability? ZDI is the best place to disclose it. Chapter 25. ExploitDB, your go-to source for exploits and advisories. ExploitDB is essential for penetration testers, security researchers, and anyone needing to stay updated on the latest threats. Remember to use this information responsibly. Chapter 26. PacketStorm Security, your comprehensive security resource hub. They offer a wide range of resources, including security tools, exploits, advisories, and a security newsfeed. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, PacketStorm Security is a valuable resource. Chapter 27. Seek Lists, your curated collection of security lists. SecLists is a GitHub repository containing a curated collection of security-related lists. These lists are incredibly useful for penetration testers, security researchers, and anyone performing security assessments. Chapter 28. GitHub Security Lab, securing the world's open source code. GitHub Security Lab is a dedicated team at GitHub focused on improving the security of open source software. If you're passionate about open source security, check out GitHub Security Lab. Chapter 29. Google Gruyere, Learn web security from Google. Google Gruyere is a web application security learning platform by Google. Gruyere is a fun and interactive way to learn web security. Chapter 30. Damn Vulnerable Web Application, DVWA, your playground for web app hacking. Damn Vulnerable Web Application, or DVWA, is a deliberately vulnerable web app designed to be a safe environment for learning web application security. It's free, easy to set up, and there are many resources available online to help you get started. WebGoat is a deliberately vulnerable web application designed for learning about web application security. It's maintained by OWASP, a nonprofit dedicated to improving web application security. WebGoat covers a wide range of topics, from basic concepts to advanced attacks. Metasploit Framework is one of the most popular penetration testing tools. Metasploit Unleashed is a free online course that teaches you everything about using Metasploit. You'll learn to use Metasploit to exploit vulnerabilities, develop exploits, and evade detection. Hacksplaining is a website that explains web security concepts in plain English. It's a great resource for anyone new to security or wanting to brush up on their knowledge. Hacksplaining covers topics from cross-site scripting and SQL injection to advanced topics like authentication and authorization. That's it for today's video. We've covered 33 websites to level up your hacking skills in 2024. It's not just about breaking things. Understand how things work and make the digital world safer. Dive in, explore, and have fun. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech content. Happy hacking!